Hi guys, I'm Cody Jay and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now today's video is going to probably be a little bit shorter than my usual videos, but it is another little episode in my indie brand makeup series here on my channel. Now today is all about Ferocious Beauty and their Ferocious Liquid Lips. I have 4 of them here, so if you're excited to see me try on these 4 shades, keep on watching. Okay guys, I hope you're all having a wonderful day or night wherever you are. Now again, today is another little indie brand makeup review, and instead of my typical reviews for these indie brands where it's either eyeshadow palettes and glitter or more of like a range of their products, I'm actually only going to be reviewing some liquid lips. Some liquid lips. I have 4 of them here. Again, these are from the brand Ferocious Beauty. These are their Ferocious Liquid Lips. I'm really excited to try these out because right off the bat, look at this packaging. Do you see how beautiful that is? That's absolutely stunning. The black, the silver, it's very sleek. Now, all of these liquid lips have a 12-month after opening period. They are all cruelty-free, which is extremely important, and I'm really excited about that. Now, you can find this brand on Instagram, of course, and I'm sure all of her links are on her Instagram. I will post all of her information and her brand's information in the description box below, of course, so please make sure you go check them out and look at their products. Purchase them, of course, because we support each other here on my platform. Now, before I get into actually swatching these and trying them out on my lips, of course, they're going to clash a little bit with my eye look. This whole look, minus, the missing lip, was actually part of my New Year's Eve glam makeup tutorial, so that should be up before this video. So if you've watched that, great. If you've not, go check it out and leave me a little comment or two. But I did want to read you guys some information that came from the creator of these liquid lips herself. Now, she says, these liquid lips are a creamy matte formula. Perfect. They have coconut oil in them for hydration as well as vitamin E. They dry down to about 95%. They are kiss proof but not makeup proof for all you hoes. They stay put, but they stay just enough creamy to where they don't crack when you smile, which is super important. And they do not dry your lips out, so I'm really excited about that. I definitely love a liquid lip that dries down to about 95%. I have tried some where it's like they dry down 110% and your lips are like the Sahara Desert, and nobody likes that. I also don't want them to be too creamy and not dry down enough like the Essence lipsticks that I reviewed, which again, if you haven't seen that, go check that out so you know what I'm talking about, where they just are very oily, kind of greasy, and they move around a lot. That means they bleed, that means they transfer, and nobody wants any of that. So I'm really excited to try these out. Again, I really love indie brands. I think they put more passion in their products and their brand because they have something to prove and they need to go out of their way a little bit more to get new customers because they aren't a huge brand like Morphe or ColourPop. So I'm all about indie brands. So if you have future indie brands you'd like me to review on my channel, please right now let me know in the comments below. I'd love to check them out. But enough talking, let's get to some swatching and trying them on. Oh, also side note, I know that Ferocious Beauty will be having some sugar lip scrubs coming out here in the near future. There's just some minor details that need panned out as far as the packaging and some ingredients and stuff like that, but I know they're coming. So if you do, and you should, hopefully, I guess, I haven't reviewed them yet, but if I do love these, I would definitely recommend probably getting that sugar scrub when it comes out. Sugar scrubs are really essential in my opinion, or some sort of scrub, to when you're using, liquid lips, especially if your lips get dry. I personally have a bottle of Freeman's sugar scrub in my shower at all times. Every so often I'll give them a nice little scrub, get them nice and refreshed, but if you're someone who on a daily is using liquid lips, unlike myself, definitely having a sugar scrub on hand would be something that's helpful, so keep your eyes open for that as well. But now, for real, let's start swatching and trying them on. Now, when they come out of the package, they look like this. It has very nice, sleek packaging, both the unicarton and this. I love when they have like the plastic or the glass, the see-through containers, because you can see them and it's really good for color, obviously, and you know how much you have. It's really got a pretty silver cap to it. I really like that a lot. You really don't actually see any fingerprints, which is kind of like cool. Anyway, this is the shade Amanda, so I'm going to take this cap off. Now it just has your typical applicator right here. So I do like that. Me personally, I like more of a pointed doe foot applicator, but this should be, just fine. So, smell it. It has a very light fragrance. I don't know what to compare it to, like, food-wise or anything, but it's not bad. It's not, like, chemically or anything like that. It's not, like, I don't know. It smells good. It's not bad at all. So I'm just going to swatch this in the back of my hand first. Let's do a little bit more. There we go, because I'm a swatch master. So this is what it looks like on the skin. It's definitely a really pretty light color. It's very caramel, nude, kind of tan. I will never be good at describing colors, I'm sorry. But let's go ahead and throw this on the lip. Hopefully it has a decent amount of coverage. Okay, this is what the shade Amanda looks like on the lips. Now, this isn't my typical color, but it doesn't really matter what the color looks like. It's just not my typical color. It is really pretty. It feels very soft. It's not like too greasy or oily or anything like that. It's already drying down pretty quickly. I did put 2 coats of it on my lips though, because the color is pretty light and my lips are kind of dark, especially because I just got done taking off a really dark lipstick, so my lips are already kind of stained. Yeah, it is drying down very, very fast. It's probably drying down in about 25 to 30 seconds. It feels very nice, very comfortable. You almost don't feel it at all, so I do like that. And yeah, it definitely has a good amount of coverage though, in general. But yeah, I love this so far. Not my color, but I do love it. Okay, the next 3 shades we have are definitely on the darker side. The next one is the shade Ferocious Bite. Now this shade is a darker red shade, if I can get it out of the package. This is stunning. Look at this packaging. Like, look at that. That is absolutely stunning. So let's take this out, and of course I want to make sure they all smell the same. Yeah, they do smell the same. It just has a really clean smell. I really like that. So I'm just going to professionally put this swatch on the back of my hand. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Okay, so this shade you definitely are going to want to line your lips, because that's definitely going to be kind of difficult, I think, at least for me. I'm not like a lipstick master, but that is such a beautiful cranberry red shade, like blood red shade. I really like that. Again, I'm not like a red lip person, but in general, it's a stunning, stunning color. So let's throw that on the lip. Okay guys, this is the shade Ferocious Bite on the lips. Now, it's definitely already drying down super quick. Again, I'm sure they're all gonna smell the same and dry down the same and everything. There's no reason they wouldn't. But yeah, it definitely feels very nice on your lips. It doesn't move, it doesn't budge. It definitely is something, like I said, you'll probably want a lip liner with. It's so bold and kind of moves just a little bit, but not in a bad way. But I'm also not like amazing at doing my own lips, so like, take that as it is. But again, this is a beautiful, beautiful red shade. Yeah, it clashes with the eyes, but that's not what this video is about. So far, so good. Alrighty, shade number 3 is called Charlie. It's a very light lilac-ish color. Now, on the back of my hand, it looks like this. Right here. Definitely a beautiful color. Let's throw that on the lip and see what it looks like. Now, sorry that my lips are getting pretty red as we're doing this. It is what it is. Okay, I do want to say, earlier I said that I do prefer a pointed doe foot applicator, but for some reason I'm really actually loving this applicator, because the way it's flat on the end just really grips my lip as I'm going across it, and it just creates a pretty precise line all the way around it, so I'm really liking that. Okay, I do want to say I've only had this on for just a few seconds and it's already completely dry, and literally you cannot feel that it's on your lips whatsoever. It really is nice, and again, it feels very smooth, very moisturizing almost, so I really, really like that, and kind of this lip kind of goes with this look, but we have one more, so let's get to it. Okay guys, we're just about finished. This 4th and final shade is called Sinvi. I'm assuming that's how you pronounce it. It's a very dark, very, very dark, I guess, purple. So, oh yes, that is so, so dark. So let me show you my last professional swatch. So it's right here. Definitely is the darkest of all 4, of course. Now I am kind of excited to put this on. Yep, smells the exact same as I kind of assumed it would. So let's see what it looks like. Okay, this color definitely needs a second coat. So let's go in one more time. Alrighty guys, and there is the 4th and final shade. Again, this is the shade Sinvi. Now, I did use 2 passes with this. Nothing wrong with that. I just needed a little bit more for me personally. I just gotta check my teeth. I touched my teeth for a second a minute ago and like it got all over, but that doesn't matter. It looks really beautiful. It's a very, very dark, witchy, rich, plum, red, purple. So I do really love this. This is probably my favorite one, and I think it looks really good with his look in general, minus the random yellow shirt, but we don't care about that. But I want to run through my final thoughts with you guys real quick and let you know what I think. Okay guys, my final thoughts are the liquid lips all retail for $17 a piece, which I did not say already, but they retail for $17. I don't think that's a bad price point. Again, there are 4 shades available. There is the shade Amanda, Ferocious Bite, Charlie, and Cinvy, in that order. I think the coverage is pretty good. I think they feel really nice on the lip. They dry down so fast, like 5 or 6 seconds, it's there. They feel really good. They don't really crack or move or anything like that. They definitely feel moisturizing, but not in like an oily kind of way. I think the packaging, both the unit carton and the components themselves, are really, really pretty. They're very sleek and sophisticated looking. I do like the range of colors because you have the 2 lighter ones, you have more of a nude, you have like the pink kind of light, and then you have a dark red and a dark, dark, dark red, purple kind of. I really do love them. So for me, all 4 of these shades and Ferocious Beauty themselves are Cody Jay approved. Now, like I said earlier in the video, I will have all of Ferocious Beauty's information linked in the description box below, including the link directly to their store. If you'd like to go purchase for them, I would recommend that you do. I definitely will be keeping all 4 of these liquid lips because I think there is one for all kinds of different looks for me personally. Even though I'm not typically a light lip kind of person or a light pink or purple kind of person, I really do think they look beautiful, especially when they dry down. I think this one particularly dries down a little bit darker than what it looks like in the component, so I do like that personally. Like I said, I really do love and value indie brands, especially the ones that are doing it correctly as far as how they carry themselves and their brand. I really do like when everyone supports them. So again, if you'd like to purchase from them, I'll have all their information in the description box below, and make sure you let them know that Cody Jay sent you. So real quick, let's jump into today's MUA shout out. Check this. Today's MUA shout out goes to the super talented Amyelizxoxo. I will link all of her information in the description box below, so you'll definitely want to go check her out and tell her Cody Jay sent ya. If you'd like to be featured in my next video's MUA shout out, all you have to do is of course be subscribed to my YouTube channel and retweet this video link when I post it onto Twitter. If you'd like to follow me on my social media, you can find me on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat, all at Cody Jay Artistry. And of course, if you guys enjoyed today's video, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up down below. Click the big red subscribe button so you can join my YouTube family, leave me a comment or 2, and I will see you guys in the next one.